My channel, and now I'm the download driver Canon imageCLASS, and this here the your type the driver download. This what I am search the official website for you. This here the click here. This what I'm looking. Scroll back and this here the support. This click driver. This what okay. This here the official website, and I am recommended for your download here website. And if you select your system operation, you just click here. You see the operation for the Windows 11, okay, Windows 8, Windows 8, Windows Server, Windows 9, Windows 7, Mac 12 and Mac 11, and new driver. Love it. This here for Linux driver. Okay, this video you need to download driver Windows 11 and select your system operation Windows 11 and this one. Okay, this here the driver for Windows 11. You're looking the release update, new release update. This here the field side driver, and this here the driver compatible recommended driver. This here the ROP compatible driver, and this here the some software. Okay, is if software utility and address book, and this here the freeware and utilities driver. This here driver compatible. This here recommended for you. If you need driver print only, this is the driver print only, and driver print only. If you need driver software scan only, this is the software scan only. Okay, this video you need to download driver Windows 11 and use link compatible. I am recommendation for you download here, and you click here, select, and you click the download. Okay, this is the driver download. If you need install driver for the your laptop, or you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB driver for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and your please write finish driver download. You run as the driver automatic cable printer. Okay. If you need install for the Wi-Fi, this here printer for Wi-Fi, you turn on the power printer, you put cable. Now put cable, you search wizard network, use your search the menu printer, and you connect the driver for the Wi-Fi, and your search the IP printer, and our Wi-Fi detect the IP printer, and you click IP and you click next. This easy install for the laptop or PC, and for you recommended for you. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video, share my video. Bye bye.